It's a baby shark version.
Ooh, let me see.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be putting my face mask on.
Nice.
And let's open it.
Okay. Take it up. Oh, is that the mask?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me see. Open it. Let's see how it look.
I don't know how to open it. Like this.
Is that a baby shark?
Heck. What the heck?
Can you open it? Ah, you almost got it.
Where? Where is it?
Okay.
It can afford.
Let me see the mask. Oh, that is cool. Put it against your face. Oh my goodness, that is cool. Yeah, be a baby shark. You ready?
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, so Janiyah has the mask on. How it feel?
Good.
Feel nice and moisturizing?
Yeah.
You look silly.
Stop.
All right, so we're gonna let this mask sit on for, how long we gotta let this sit on? We're gonna let this sit on for 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Guys, now I'm gonna take my mask off. What the heck?
Okay, gotta put it down. And what you gotta do next? No, it's already wet. Okay. Now you're wiping your face with some warm water to wipe it off. To wipe off the excess gel stuff. How does your face feel?
Good.
Feels nice and moisturized.
How does your face feel?